thing now. So, let's do something by this. Oh, I broke this one. But I'm going to put water because the water makes it more sticky. So we're in the Philippines, and I'm going to speak English. So I'm going to speak Filipino. But we speak Filipino in Filipino classes, but we have a lot of English classes. There's only one Filipino class. And yeah, that's all. So we speak Filipino in Filipino class. We speak English in English classes. But I really know how because I'm kind of like a know-how girl to speak languages. But now let's do like... Let's do satisfying photo. Let's make a satisfying correct sound. Oh, that was so satisfying. Oh no. Some people thought I was engaged. Some people said I was high school, and no. But no, I'm still a kid. I'm just 7 years old. Oh no, and I'm gonna be turning 8. I don't want to get pimples. So you get pimples when you're in the puberty level. If you're in puberty level, that means you're gonna get pimples. But I don't have any pimples because I'm so cute. I'm not excited to be 10 because I'm gonna get pimples. I thought people are not gonna get pimples, but I don't know. I have to care for my skin to not get. No! Found it in my bag. Wait, I'm gonna add some more water. And that's my baby butter. They just went out. Away from the camera. And I add the water already. So look at this. Wait, I'm gonna stand. I'm just gonna try to bring it down later. Because I'm gonna show you guys something. Guys and dolls, something. Oh my gosh, it's leaking. Wait, ow! No. Oh my gosh, it's starting to get stickier. See, I told you guys it will get stickier when you add water, but it wasn't stickier. It was sticky, kind of sticky when I bought it, but it's not sticky. But because of the cold, I keep bringing it somewhere cold. What? What was that? I have nothing on. What? Egg wires are there. Some water. There's like water standing right. There's water there. I shouldn't get that, but it's for drinking, so I cannot waste water. I'm gonna get you guys farts. Really, egg keeps sticking on me and everywhere. And it's gonna. There, that's better. Now you can see me poking it. Let's rose gold. Oh wait, I have an idea. want me to bubble. Guys, hear that satisfying sound? Like it? It's like the color of a highlighter. I'm gonna highlight my face. Oh, I got a highlighter already. I was wearing like lip tint. And my lips look kind of orangey. So yeah. I like it. Did you guys see that bubble? I live for the first time. Add some water on here now. I keep adding water. I don't know why. It's perfect already, but I keep adding water. I don't know why. Am I just crazy or something? Or I just don't. I just want to hear that satisfying hook sound because when it dries up, it doesn't even sound. It actually doesn't sound like slime poking. Sounds like, I don't know, not something bad, but something really bad. You guys see that? I can see the holes because I'm doing this. I'm just gonna. Oh my! That was so. And now we're gonna that. I can't see. Oh, I just beat it. What? Kamais. First things first, I gotta go and make baby brothers. JC Kate. I have a little brother. He's like this small. No, not that small. This big. So baby though. Because that's kind of one that's the he was out first. I don't know why though. But he's the best baby. He can say, Mama, Papa, I say. I'm just kidding. Mama, Papa, I don't know if you can understand the sister and brother. The older sister and the older brother. So I'm just gonna say it in English style. But you can say it in Filipino style. So I'm gonna say ate means sister. Kuya means brother. Mama means mom or mommy. And Papa means daddy or dad. That's Papa, Mama. I can hear it. I can like hear everything. There's 9 seconds. I'm just kidding. Blackpink in your area. Blackpink in your area. It's a girl, I know I am. I'm so hot, I need a fan. I don't want no boy, I need a man. Click, clack, bada, wait, bada, wrong, bada, back, chop, bada, die, bada, wrong, yes, sir, no, bada, no. They're Blackpink and Momoland. Blackpink and Momoland, BTS. are all Korean. Also Sandara Park, but she speaks Filipino because her school is Filipino. She's in the Philippines or is she in Korea? So, Jungkook from BTS and Lisa from Blackpink are together. They're together. Yeah. But I'm not engaged. So, I know they're shipping. Lisa ko. A good ship name. Rose. I think Jungkook has a classmate named Sugar, and he's a boy, I think. So that means Sugar Rose. Sugar Rose. Let's just say Rose. Her name in English is Rose. Blackpink in your area. And I know who are the members. Jisoo, Rose, Jennie, and Lisa. I know other names. There's only one name that sounds like... There's two names that sound like English names. Like Lisa. But in English it's called Liza. Lisa in Korea. In Korean, her name is Lisa in Korean, but Liza, like Elizabeth. So since it's Elizabeth, so you should say Liza. So yeah, tune in on the next slime video. I'm gonna show you updates of my slime. Actually, bye everyone. Have a good day.